Daily Current Affairs Quiz, September 29, 2022. 1. Which state has been awarded Ayushman Utkrishta Award 2022? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Karnataka. D. Himachal Pradesh. Show answer. Correct answer. B. Uttar Pradesh. Notes: Uttar Pradesh has been awarded Ayushman Utkrishta Award 2022 for adding various health facilities to Health Facility Register. It is the best performing state in the country with 28,728 health facilities added to National Health Facility Register. It is also the second best state in creating Ayushman Bharat Health Account (ABA) with almost 2 crores ABH accounts. 2. The Integrated Cryogenic Engine Manufacturing Facility of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) was inaugurated in which city? A. Tiruvananthapuram. B. Bengaluru. C. Shimla. D. Hyderabad. Correct answer. B. Bengaluru. President of India Draupadi Murmu inaugurated the Integrated Cryogenic Engine Manufacturing Facility of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) in Bengaluru. The facility houses over 70 high-tech equipment and testing facilities for manufacturing cryogenic (CE-20) and semi-cryogenic (SE-2000) engines of Indian rockets. In 2013, HAL signed an MoU with ISRO for setting up the facility for manufacturing cryogenic engine modules at HAL. 3. Which state has released the Encyclopedia of Tribes of the State? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Jharkhand. C. Odisha. D. West Bengal. Correct answer. C. Odisha. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik released the Encyclopedia of Tribes in Odisha. The 5 volumes of the encyclopedia were published by Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Research and Training Institute, SCSTRTI, and Odisha State Tribal Museum. The edited volumes contain 3,800 pages and 418 research articles covering all 62 tribal communities and 13 particularly vulnerable tribal groups. The book will be a repository for academicians, researchers, policymakers. 4. What is PMGKAY, which was recently extended till December 2022? A. Health Insurance Scheme. B. Free Food Grain Scheme. C. MSME